Biggest confusions in the minds of the world immigrants that they should go in these days. I am especially talking about these days when the nationality law is in process. They should go to Portugal or they should not. This is very popular question in the past year, but now this time it's very important. People who are ready, they have planned, even they have got tourist visas of any other Schengen country, and they are planning to move to Portugal on legal way because they have valid Schengen visa holder from the European countries, from Asia, from Africa. So they actually wanted to get advice from any social media immigration analyst or something that they should go to Portugal or they should not go to Portugal. I will let you clear very important scenario of the Portugal this time. This time when nationality law is in process, in my opinion, you should postpone Portugal plan to live and work because now things are in middle way. Nobody knows where the ball will go. I think if nationality law implemented, when it is signed by president, it is implemented, then you should not move to the Portugal. You should move to the Spain. You will have good chance if you have legal visa holder. As an illegal, if you are illegal, please don't go on illegal visas or illegal expired visas to any European country, or don't try to enter border by illegal way, because now I don't think countries will entertain in this year 2025 where countries are much aware of illegals and they are making plan to get rid of illegal immigration. Almost only one country, European country, was giving favor, and as I told you in the last clips, and now even Portugal is clarifying that we will not allow illegal immigration, and this is also a justification from the Portugal that we are changing immigration laws, we are tightening our immigration nationality duration just because of illegal immigration, and they are blaming illegals. So therefore I don't think they will allow illegals in the future. So please have your visa, legal visa, and if you have Schengen tourist visa, one thing you must clear in the mind. Now Portugal, even you will enter by legal visa holder, you have tourist visa of any Schengen country, you enter Portugal by legal way. Yes, you can as a tourist you can see Portugal and then come back to any other European country. You should not use your tourist visa for settlement. It's almost impossible because now file lock is closed. Now you can work and live in Portugal only on specific visas like job seeker visas or work visas. So something will be clear in the coming months as well on our Article 92 student visa or something other, the investor visa, golden visa. But as a tourist visa, you are not able to settle currently because if file lock is closed, how you will document your immigration file? Because if you will not be registered, AIMA will never give you appointment. So in this scenario in which nationality law is changing up to 14 years, I think you must hold. If you have a complete dream of living in Portugal, you say, no sir, I have to live and work only in Portugal, then you have to wait until that nationality law is implemented. Even nationality law implemented, you should not go. Wait for 1 year. Elections may take place and next party may come and next party may change at nationality law. You, in simple way, should postpone your plan of living and work in Portugal until nationality law either reverted back to 5 years. 1 year, 6 months, now it will be your luck when it will change. We will keep telling you. But now currently you have better option than Portugal is the Spain, where now little of it, because we are not telling which country immigration is tight, which country immigration is light. All countries' immigration are very tight, and they are changing immigration rules, and they think that useful immigrants should stay in their country. No doubt about this. But we are just, I am just comparing that if you will say me to which country, then Portugal is better in Europe. I think Spain is better. Spain, you will find almost 40% less effort than Portugal. Of course, Spanish resident card or Spanish immigration is also very tight, and if you have legal visa, you have legal Schengen visa, you have tourist visa, you should try your work, you should try to get work permit within Spain, you should try to get job within Spain, and that will be little bit better than Portugal these days. Earlier, if you will say that nationality law 5 years from file law, which is currently valid, but nationality law technically giving me to say this statement, compelling me to say statement that Spain immigration in current scenario is better than Portugal until nationality law is decided. Otherwise, if you will say Portugal keep nationality law from file lock, which look almost impossible for 5 years, then Portugal is better. But now I think in current time it's very difficult to say something. All people are waiting where the Portugal immigration is going. We are hoping something better, something better for migrants may occur, and positivity which should be always there in the mind. And some people of Portugal also very positive who are in complete authorities, and they knew that Portugal financial status is very positive. If the financial status lost, their GDP ratio lost, and their GDP ratio lost, the countries became poor. So wealthy status is essential. So definitely they will want to keep useful migrants. Might be they allow some migrants to have nationality in less time. So it's all scenario of constitution, court, president, and in the future new elections. I will keep telling you, keep watching World Immigration News by Irfan.